Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a supersonic whip. So basically all you need for this, not this many rubber bands, but all you need is 5. Dang it, I ripped my back. Okay, anyway, you just need 5 rubber bands. I'm just going to take 5 random ones. 1, 2. You know what? I'm going to get them all the same size, just so that, you know, it has a level of consistency. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 rubber bands, and after 5 rubber bands, you're gonna need about 3 feet of string for your rubber band whip. And that's way less than 3 feet, but who cares? Anyway, so the way you're gonna make this is you gotta chain all 5 of these rubber bands up in a line, and then you're gonna have to tie this end of the string onto one of the rubber bands. So I don't know why, but I always do this, like this rubber band. You know, I do know why. It usually just stretches out the rubber band, makes it. It's like stretching your muscles, only with rubber bands. Okay. Anyway, so the way you tie them together. Wait up. I feel like. Okay, so the way you tie them together is you. Dang it, I already tied them together. The way you tie these rubber bands together, it's not an ordinary way, but all you gotta do is put your right rubber band over your left one, and then pull it through the bottom, and pull this side over through the. You know what? I'm gonna redo it. Pull this side through the bottom, and pull this one through the top, and then just pull, and then it creates this knot. And then you just do that over and over until you've tied all of your rubber bands. So, you know what? I'm just gonna do this time lapse thing. You know what? Start the time lapse. Okay, so after you tie your rubber bands together, stretch it out, and you're gonna need to tie the string to it. And I'm just gonna put a slip knot on it. You can do whatever knot you want, but slip knot, okay. And there. What? You know what? Just gonna try and flick this. Okay, don't judge me. Just keeping my hair out of my eyes, but so the way you flick this is you hold the string with one hand, and you hold the other side of the rubber band like that. You yank back, and you flick it. Like, I'm scared that it's ow. Just whipped my hand. So the trick is, I know this is what's the word? Wait. Anti-intuitive, but you're gonna have to put your arm really, really straight like that and risk hitting your face, but it's actually not gonna hit your face. It's just gonna go straight, and you see that? But I don't know if you saw that or not, but a little bit of the string at the end, it just flew off. And that's because at the end it goes supersonic and makes this bang type of thing. Okay, let's cut some bananas up. Okay, so I got a banana, and let's whip this banana. It sounds so wrong when I say it out loud. Okay. Whoops. Okay, looks like this isn't really doing anything. Oh, wow. Okay. So all the damage that it did is right there. That's literally all the damage. Okay, let's try that again. And I'm not wasting this. I'm gonna eat this banana, cause who wastes bananas? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna have to see this in slow motion. So, as you can see, that didn't do much damage. It's like just a little bit. Got a little bruised up. But, I mean, well, you learn something new every day. You can't cut a banana with a piece of string. Some rubber bands. Wow, who knew? Okay, well, if you didn't notice before, the banana, when I flicked it, it actually moved a bit. So, if you want to go replay that, go ahead. But, whoa, look what happened to the first rubber band. Just shattered. I don't know when that happened, but just shattered. So, if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.